What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This is the Corvette here. Hope y'all can hear me well. I'm driving right now, as y'all can see. About to go meet up with some of the crew from LSC, aka the Lone Star Corvettes, and we're just gonna, get some video shots, some photo shots, just hang out with the boys and girls, whoever ends up showing up. It's the day before the 4th of July, so some people might be busy or whatever not. But I'm just bringing another video. Haven't done it in like 2 weeks or something like that, but just wanted to make something. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, guys. I greatly appreciate that. Follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. And just, like I said, comment down if y'all like what y'all see in the video. And yeah, so. Alright guys, so I'm the first one here. As you can see, it's already dark because it took me almost 30 minutes to get from where I was a second ago to the spot we're meeting, and then we're going to the spot we're actually going to get the shots and stuff. So, waiting for the other Corvette guys to come, and then we'll be there. So. Got some of the squad pulled up. Oh man, I hear someone pulling in. Probably sounds like. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh snap, all the way from Dallas, son. All right, we got another nice red C8 coming in right here. I like the bronze kind of gold wheels that he's got that's set up there. Nice little turnout. Just gonna get a nice. We got another one coming in. Got easy coming in. Got another Grand Sport C7 coming in. Sounds good. Alright, so we are moving to the spot now. Maybe a few others might meet us up at the spot that we're gonna go get the actual photo shoots. Remember, this was just the meetup spot, but we're actually gonna go to the actual like photo shoot spot now. So, alright guys, so we're at the top of this parking garage that we went across the street, and everyone's lining up so we can get a cool stance basically for some shots and some video footage. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my butt up here so we can go ahead and get into a better angle, so that way we can basically get some cool content. So making my way. Oh, that looks sick. As you can see, there's the lineup so far. Got some nice rides that came out though, for show, but as you can see. All right guys, so we're setting up the we're basically switching the angle, or we're flipping it basically, so that way we can get shots from over there and it's angled down instead of up. So everyone's just basically getting into position so we can be able to do that, as you can see. guys, so that's pretty much the video. As y'all can see, hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Looks like security is possibly here, and they're probably gonna kick us out because we're on a parking garage, and I don't know, maybe they just don't like cars. There's the security kicking us out right there. We all gotta go. We gotta go. Oh snap. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Appreciate y'all. And until the next video, guys, this is the Corvette out, aka Jared. Peace.